Plastic forks. Durable material. The plastic forks are made of heavyweight material. It is colorless and tasteless. Use a clear fork to eat healthy meals. Suitable for hot foods. Plastic forks have been tested to heat up to 176 bars and can be used for both hot and cold food. Thoughtful packaging design. 100-count plastic clear forks, packed in high-quality paper boxes. The sides of the boxes have a design for easy ripping and small windows to see what's inside at a glance. It is convenient for you to take out and keep the rest of the heavyweight cutlery. No washing up. The heavyweight plastic cutlery, available for friends, guests, and customers, while its disposable design promotes quick, hassle-free cleanup when finished. Indulge in the party and do not have to wash dishes and mess. Simply enjoy harmony and convenience. Large size, 7 inches long and 4.8 grams heavy per disposable fork. Clear forks are suitable for tableware of various colors without any sense of violation.